Hello, I would like to read first 10 common question and answers below. 1. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? 2. My name is John. My name is John. My name is John. 3. How are you? How are you? How are you? 4. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. 5. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? 6. I am from Vietnam. I am from Vietnam. I'm from Vietnam. 7. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? 8. I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. 9. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? 10. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Thank you for listening.